Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta spicy. First, select your desired heat source, such as red pepper flakes, fresh chili peppers, or a spicy oil. Next, consider when to add these ingredients. For a deeper flavor, infuse them into your sauce base early on. If you prefer a brighter, more immediate kick, add them closer to the end. Remember, a little goes a long way, so start with a small amount and taste as you go. There are many ways to bring the heat. Red pepper flakes are a classic choice, easily stirred into sauces or sprinkled on top. For a fresher, more intense spice, try finely dicing fresh chilies like jalapenos or serranos and sautéing them with garlic and olive oil. Another fantastic option is a good quality chili oil, which you can drizzle over your pasta just before serving for an extra layer of flavor and warmth. Achieving the perfect balance is key. To enhance the spicy notes, consider adding a touch of acidity, like a squeeze of fresh lemon juice or a splash of tomato paste. If the heat becomes too overwhelming, a small amount of sweetness, perhaps a pinch of sugar or a drizzle of honey, can help to mellow it out. Creamy ingredients like grated Parmesan cheese or a swirl of heavy cream are also excellent for tempering the spice. When serving your delicious spicy pasta, a fresh garnish like chopped parsley or basil can add a lovely aromatic finish. Pair it with a cooling side dish, such as a crisp green salad or some crusty bread to soak up all that flavorful sauce. And remember, enjoying spicy food often means you'll want to stay hydrated. For a fantastic way to keep your water handy, check out the link in the description for the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.